Hi, this is Brian M. Carr from DraftingServices.com, and I'm shooting a video at the project site I'm at today. I'm in a newly constructed, newly purchased apartment on the Upper West Side. Right now I'm standing in it's the master suite end of the apartment, and the scope of work here is going to be floor plan, RCP, and electrical plan. So let me walk you around a little bit. So out of the master bedroom, we have master bath, and then down to the rest of the apartment we have a number of closets on the left, and then each bedroom with a bath on the right. So another bedroom to the right here, more closets to the left, laundry room, bedroom with bath, powder room, our entry foyer. I know it's a little hard to see in the video. And then great room with kitchen. So this is what I'm working on today. If you ever are in need of existing condition, as-built drawings, whether it's for something in the city, in the Hamptons, upstate, please feel free to give me a ring anytime. Thanks for viewing my video and have a fantastic day.